everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me this week, and if you're new here, you're very much welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Today I'll be talking about the things you need to avoid to have a smart and intelligent baby. Last week I spoke about the things you need to do. This week is going to be the concluding part, so please don't go away, keep watching. So I'll be dividing the ways I'll be talking about into two. I'm going to be talking about how low oxygen reaching your baby can affect the brain's health, and also I'll be talking about how giving birth to your baby prematurely could affect the brain's health. The first thing I'll be talking about is you need to avoid smoking, drinking, and taking recreational drugs. When you take these things, it affects the oxygen reaching your baby. And for the brain to develop properly, oxygen is needed. So please, you need to avoid totally. You need to stop doing these things. The second thing I'll be talking about is preeclampsia. This is when the blood pressure of the mother goes high. Also, there will be protein in her urine. When a woman has preeclampsia, that is after 20 weeks, it could reduce the amount of oxygen reaching the child, and it could also have to make the woman deliver her baby prematurely, before 37 weeks. Generally, the brain of a baby is only 2/3 formed at 35 weeks compared to what it would be at 39 to 40 weeks. So please do well to monitor your blood pressure when you're pregnant, to avoid having to have preeclampsia. The third thing I'm talking about is that you need to avoid dirty environments. You need to make sure everything you're doing is hygienic. Make sure you wash your fruits and vegetables, and if you like your meat well done, people that like their steak a bit bloody, this is not the right time for you to eat that kind of meat. Also, you have to take only pasteurized milk. Avoid unpasteurized milk. It's an infection called Toxoplasmosis gondii. This infection can cause you to have miscarriage. It could cause you to have stillbirth, and it could also cause you to give birth to your baby prematurely. This could be gotten via cat feces. So if you have cats as pets, please try to keep proper hygiene. Avoid their dungs. Try to wash your hand regularly, and try to wash your foods properly before eating them. If you also work in the farm that you have to deal with soils, or anything that you have to deal with soils, please try to wash your hands properly to avoid this infection. The other thing I'll be talking about is toxic substances. You need to avoid toxic substances. I spoke in my last video that you need to eat fishes, some kind of fishes, so you can get omega-3 fatty acid, as it helps in brain development. But not all kind of fish you can eat, because there are some fishes that are high in mercury, like swordfish, tailfish, and also king mackerel. These fishes are toxic because they contain very high amounts of mercury. You also need to avoid pesticides. You also need to avoid insecticides also. All these, they are very toxic, so please, whenever you see anyone spraying their farm or spraying insecticide, you need to avoid these for the health of your baby, so you could have an intellectually smart baby. The last but not the least I'll be talking about is that you need to avoid sick people. You need to avoid people that are coughing, people that are sneezing, people that have infections or diseases that are communicable, because this could damage the brain of your child and cause intellectual disabilities. A bonus point I'll be talking about today is during your delivery. Please make sure you comply with everything the midwife, the obstetrician is telling you to do, because when you don't comply, when they tell you do this, do that, and because you feel uncomfortable, you try to do otherwise, this could be very risky. So when you give birth to your baby, the kind of symptoms you could see in a child that has a damaged brain is an abnormal head. When you see the forehead is quite bigger, even later on you could even see the child experiencing seizure or crying uncontrollably. Please, when you see any of these things, please report back to the hospital immediately so measures could be taken to avoid future problems with your baby's brain health. Thank you so much for watching this week, and I wish you safe delivery. Thank you very much once again. Thank you very much for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, as you may be helping someone out there. And if you need any health advice, please feel free to contact me on my Facebook page, Dr. Saki-Ogah. Thank you very much. Bye.